Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, today I'm going to talk about how you can reverse erectile dysfunction with these simple and effective tips. Talking about erectile dysfunction, it is basically a condition which is very challenging. And let us talk about how you can treat this condition by making changes in your lifestyle, by making use of these simple and effective lifestyle changes that can help it reverse. Let us talk about those simple tips that you can use in order to reduce and minimize the erectile dysfunction problem. Let us talk about those tips one by one. The number one tip that you can use is actually the healthy diet. Now, talking about healthy diet, nutrient-rich food is really very important. Talking about fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean protein. This is something that every person should induce in their life. But those people who are actually dealing with erectile dysfunction, this becomes really very important for them. Now, these foods are actually rich in antioxidant, vitamins and minerals that actually support vascular health. Talking about reduction in terms of processed food. So if you are taking a lot of processed food, limit intake of that, like sugar, trans fat, processed food. They actually impact heart health and the blood flow. Let us talk about number 2, which is the regular exercise. Cardiovascular exercises like jogging, swimming or cycling, it helps to improve blood flow and heart health. Strength training you can go with, like building muscle mass, can enhance testosterone level and which is beneficial for the erectile function. You can go with the regular exercises as well. Number 3 is healthy weight. Now, weight management is really very important. Managing a healthy weight reduces the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. And actually, these are the two diseases which actually contribute to erectile dysfunction. So when you will manage your weight, definitely it can directly contribute to erectile dysfunction problem. Another one is avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Talking about alcohol and smoking, it is something which should be avoided by every person. But those people who are actually affected with erectile dysfunction, they have to, quit smoking. Smoking damages the blood vessels, it reduces the blood flow to the penis, and moderate alcohol consumption is something that they can go with, but limit that intake as well, as excessive drinking can actually lead to erectile dysfunction. Another one is stress reduction. So relaxation techniques are really very important nowadays, like practicing mindfulness, meditation, yoga or deep breathing. So these exercises will help to reduce the stress level in the bodies of those men who are actually dealing with erectile dysfunction. Now, adequate sleep, they have to induce up to 9 or 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night in order to support overall health. Pelvic floor exercises. Now, another one is basically that is known as Kegel exercises as well. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can improve erectile dysfunction by enhancing blood flow to the penis. Let us talk about another one, which is managing the chronic conditions. Diabetes and hypertension. Now, you have to properly manage these conditions, whether you have to take medication, diet, lifestyle changes. You have to reduce these impact because they actually impact erectile dysfunction. A regular checkups is really very important. Visit your doctor regularly to monitor and to manage any chronic health issue which your body is already dealing with. And you have to go with the psychological support as well. If ED has a psychological roots, counseling, therapy can be very beneficial for that. Now, one therapy that I want to suggest to you is cognitive behavioral therapy. Now, this is one of the approach that can help address anxiety and stress related to ED, related to those person who actually get a lot of tension, anxiety and stress because of this condition. Now, be open to communicate with people, because when you are honest with your communication, especially with your partner in this time, definitely it can help find effective solutions together. Another one, and which is basically the last one, which is really very important today, is that you have to limit pornography. Now, you have to less watch something which is related to porn, or which actually which actually I would say is unrealistic expectations, which actually is something which is not helping your ED at all, but rather degrading or deteriorating the health more and more. So you have to not to go with that more and more, and limit exposure to that can also help improve your sexual function in your life. So this was all about today's video, where I did talk about the 10 of the ways through which you can use in your life to reduce the problem of erectile dysfunction. Now, these combination of lifestyle changes and psychological support that I actually talked about in this video will actually help you to provide you with the best source of action in this challenging time of erectile dysfunction. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked it, and do subscribe to the channel as well.